one time use glass kumne ba ko ngasi mak Jiribam da leiba ka JDO office da staff matik chana leite medical department da doctor suna leite PWD office da staff suna leibra leite staff amaka anika pirak pati na di akoi gi asok kam na chaw ba district kam dan to da mayam hena safarji oi hai ba NPS means kill the pensioner hai bane akoi se government na thabak si na bi re po se si na blor lak na dok pi bane All India State Government Employee Federation now, Tatajarpa, Aduga, Manipur State Government Federation, all India state Kudimak employee Kudimak, not only the education sector, Makalmaka Kudimaki Ladiba, Department Kudimaki, Akogi Pensioner Union, Adurigi, Ojuji in Sabitil, Punam, all India go 16 February, say, government gi mathakta haijabatare akoi demand akoi thamjabini akoi Manipur gi su akoi 10 September 2023 da akoi thamjagi se pending issue charter of demand se demand ta ka thamjagi bini for employees teachers and the pensioners singi damak tawina charter of demand gi ahan ba point program se karino haibada DA percentage se wasimale raising the retirement age from the present 60 years to 62 years se masi ohenbiu haibasine masi gi maroi ba maram de kaino hoju mayam ne na khabiri dni Manipur da hoji lai de se sahi khara se gi manukda 10 lakhs gi mathakta employee vacant labor post vacant labor bani noma gi ma ki retirement se sum ochala posila maram la sahi mada retirement odi ba se employees maching lakam da odi bani ba adu state ki oiba sel thungi phibam da awaba mayam leiti adu tawi da tawena Party Lega was Mayam lobby, Mayam Hibi, Aduga, employer Quinasu, Henam, Kang the Natekus like Kongia. Machine Jiribam the Ladyba, a education sector da had a JDO office, stop matic channel late. Jiribam the Ladyba, medical department, the doctor sooner late. Stop late. PWD office, stop sooner labor late. When they measure the labor, Kadimam the late. Stop Amaka, Nika Pirapotunadi, a Kogi, Asok Kamna Saw, District Amagi, Matic Shaba. Infrastructure later, but the Baraborga, when district commandant over the Mayam Safarji Oi, I say, I call Hajaning, Manabaduna, I call not Tamjaning the point, Dicarino, I but Masai 60 years had been said. Mase 2 and 3 years, Manunda, Gomenazu, interview to the happy Base, Masi, we talk here, scrapping the national pension scheme, NPS, Aduga, and the restoration of the all defined pension habit. Masik Matangari. Masih matan kecil penjara jam hoki insecure figure oiga posak am khoi ba employee khudi mo jam insecure oiba posak am khoi masagi NPS hai basi NPS ni piri basi kai NPS means kill the pensioner hai bane masigi sapcha basi ai khoi se government na thabak chi na bi magi matam do loratna pension gi matam oratna magi superannuation lakwa matam da ai khoi se moine tawi de ma khoi action se karina ba one time use glass kumne ba just thabak sports si na blor lak no dok pi bane adu ma posak sing do madu khang bani na Moraga, but it's I'm a danger of Posaka Makare.
Manipur issue, part of Moina Jiribam district. Amagi employee Mana Kui Mamsi, Kui Masi Pami Basikui, the Sena Department Cooking Maki, representative, I'm almost sure, Kui demanded Sator, demand and Jagi, demand, the contractor Ladyba, Blood Adam Hanbiu, pension, the NPS and National Pension Scheme Simutalaga, OPS Hana Naramba, OPS was an the government yabiu ladiba hangba post mayamsi mention biu matam sigi matungina angkhal leiba posai matungna sahi manga khudingi pay revise to biu haibane singba all india gi demand tarif thakli talaga si hamda basida as a part of district employee ina ko famsto ko thamaga Manipur government da ato pa station da bibi reverse maina khara yagin state khara bibi khre ya khre government Northeast na letest na sayodano sabi ba Sikkim gi aya ba ko ndak letest na phangkhre atopa mayam ama phangros maina ko gisu Manipur gi government gi puning chin jaba moina ayang employees sina pension japa matam da tiba nangada ba mayam ama suma mayam sin sibiduna ko gi staff singbu ha yar ko dingi sumba obvious ampopiu presimba mayam ama yauri di manunda ko gisu pa moina ko phamaga Kaya
ꯄꯤ